So we have the technology of what? Creation. Your aliens, your ghosts, your what? The Spirit of God, there's revelation, wisdom, understanding. They are all spirit beings. And we have the what? The technology of the extraterrestrials. We have the technology of those who are in the what? The space. Every creature with their technology. So before the heaven and the earth was created, there's technology. And you want some for technology. We call something sorcerers, witchcraft, necromancy. How to invoke dead and no dead body. Nankasa oba friend no sorry atrance. Onipa wo ye ade no wa sorry atrance. No one man power no wa can asem ya for me. Until there's what we call something lodge. Europeans call it necromancy. We can say na we so free fa. You crash ni wo hu.
Mystery TV.